Okay, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you the method to make a to-do list by Python, and this is the VS Code. We are right now in VS Code. So first, we need to type task, int variable. Make task as a variable and empty list type square bracket fully close square bracket. Make a list, and we need to type it above the code because we need to so that system can save everything inside the list, right? So after that, type while true. While true is in while true. The work of while true is pretty state that just following, just execute following code. When we type while true, then this is the order for system that repeat following code and do that same thing every time when you type everything whatever you want. So this is for just loop the code again and again when input uh, when system receive input from user, right? After that, while true, print option 1, add task and then print second mean second choice to show task and then print 3, remove task. Okay, and then print option 4, exit. This is pretty amazing. Okay, now in the to-do list we have 4 options. So as soon as user open their application in to-do list, user will see these 4 options, and user can choose any of these. So first, if user, so these are the list of instructions, and now user want to choose the any options. So now we need to order Python to take input. So we need to type a line to take input from user like that. So the line looks like that. First, choice is the variable here. Choice. Okay, input. Choice input. Yeah, I mean take input from user and then type choose any of these. So when user would see these 4 instructions from Python, task remove, task remove, task and exit, then user can choose any of these. And to choose these options, we need to type a line. I already typed this line. So system will display user that line. Choose any of these. Uh, so user can choose any of these options. I think Mrs. Spelling here this no. Okay, now spelling looks correct. I don't know. Yes, it's correct. So okay, this is take input from user, and then if make a condition inside the system. If choice equivalent to 1, I mean user prefer one option. User want to add task first. If choice equivalent to 1, then the first thing Python would do is take input from user. So task equal means variable, input type your task. Okay, this is the line. Type of task, take in expression from user. Expression mean input from user, and then tasks dot append mean add task. The line simply mean task mean this is the list task. So add task from user. Add the append mean add task to the task list task. Okay, so when user type their task, then this line will help Python to add task. This is the instruction for Python to add task. So suppose user type learning at 5, wake up at 5 a.m. So this is the task from user, and then this is the task from user, and so Python basically send this task to the task. So it will list on this, it will list on the system, right? And then print task added. Okay, this is the first option. This is the syntax for first option. If you just choose their task, then system will do that. elif choice, this is for second option. Choice means elif choice equivalent. Oh no, where's the equal? Okay, equal. If choice is equivalent to 2 means so task, you can see if you just choose 2, then system would display task, right? So first thing, if we need to make a if condition inside the elif condition, because if suppose user want to see their task, but there is no task added by user. So so that we have no task to show the user, so system will basically check first if length mean item cardinality in the list, inside the list, task equivalent to 0, then print there is no task to delete. If user possess no task in their to-do list, then system will simply print there is no task to delete, because system has no task yet. Okay, else. Okay, this is else for I in range of length, in range of, this is the syntax for typing task line by line, like one after one, 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that. So one length, if length task for I in range length task means length item inside the list of we call here task. This is the list. So Python after that will check how many items mean task user possessing in their list, and then check and then print. So the print, okay, and then print print index mean variable plus 1. This line intended to type task line by line, like number 1 first task, and number 2 second task, number 3 then third task, like that. And then dash, no comma, and then task index task, comma, we need to use comma here to separate the value. That there's now that's correct. Okay, print task. This line basically print line task by task, no, line by line, like 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that. Okay, I suppose you know about Python fundamentals, so I'm not going to deep in the Python fundamental. I just in this video my motive is just teaching you how can we make a to-do list. So I I would definitely make another video to teach you fundamental of the Python, but this video is dedicated to to-do list and project. This is our project right now, so you can understand, right? Okay. uh, Else, so print, after that system will print that, system will print the whatever it contains, and then elif choice equivalent to 3. Okay, then equivalent to 3 means remove task. What we have in 3 options, we have a task, remove task, order for Python, remove task. Okay, so we need to type same line here. If user have no task, so what Python would delete then, because user have nothing in their to-do list and their task. The user simply has no task, so Python have nothing to delete. So first, if length task equivalent to 0, okay, equivalent to 0 colon, then print no task to delete. Print no, if user have no task, then Python simply print will display no task. Okay, misspelling. No task to delete. Okay, user can understand that I have no task to delete. Else if user have task, then do this thing what I am going to type first. Remove task, int for integer for choose task by number, not by name, because suppose user type their task, wake up at 5 a.m. Then at 5 o'clock, then user will not going to type entire task, the line of the line. Instead of typing line, Python will help user to just type number of your task, and Python just delete the task. So input type number of your task. Okay, Python display that line to the user, so user can understand what Python asking for. And after that, check condition. If remove equivalent, if remove greater than equal than 1, and another condition, if remove less and equal than length task, means length of the task, then print length of the task, then print, then task dot pop means remove. This is the rule of the Python. Pop means remove dash -1 -1 mean delete one task select by user. So this line is intended to delete the task chosen by user. Task dot pop remove -1 task, and print task deleted task is removed okay task is removed. Elif choice equivalent to 4 mean 4 option. What we have in 4 option, you know about that. We have exit option in 4 option in fourth option. First, if user choose fourth option, then print exiting and break, else print invalid input. This is our to-do list. This is the shortest method to make a to-do list, and I think this is pretty amazing way to make a to-do list by Python. So you know about that method, and I will upload some videos to teach you fundamentals of the Python. This video isn't dedicated to fundamentals of the Python. That's why I did not go deeper into fundamentals of the Python, so you can understand what I mean. And so this is our to-do list project. I hope you understand. I hope you and can make your own project for next time. The best way to learn Python is project driving learning. So just make your own project. And if you have any queries about Python in cognitive science, mathematics, and other subject like physics, uh, physics is definitely important to make a system, advanced system. But main subject are programming language, mathematics, and cognitive science. So just learn this subject, programming language, computer science, and just make your own project to learn Python, because this is the best way to learn Python. And just throw any question if you have told me. Right. This is enough. Bye. Okay. Subscribe this channel if you want.